Woo woo.
Start right here.
I already did.
Woo woo.
Woo. Alright, look. I'm sick of all these bitches getting on YouTube, doing this stupid ass shit, talking about juggalos, and we're a gang and shit. You see a bandana, you automatically think of a gang. Alright, look, we're a family. We stick together. That's it. That's the only purpose we have here. Is to stick together and look out for each other. Alright, now look. They say we're all bad kids, we come from nothing, poverty. I know juggalos is richer than probably your ass.
Alright, listen. Now listen, alright, here's how it works. You can take some nerdy ass kid that has no friends. You take him under your wing.
Like your mama, maybe.
Like your mom. But we're down for that person, and we ain't gonna talk behind their back like some of y'all
Yeah, I'll
bitches.
be down for your mama.
Down straight, woo woo.
You probably go down on his mom.
We'll go down on your mama all night long if we want to.
But see, listen. Now,
Ain't no
we're not a gang because we don't jump people. We don't shoot people. We fight one-on-one like real men. And it...
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, go ahead, bro.
If you look at the crime rate over the last 5 years, scarcely you will see a juggalo.
The only time you might see a juggalo committing a crime is from getting the munchies and breaking into a store and selling some Doritos or Sundrop. Or some Faygo.
I mean, I'm sick of all this bullshit. People talking shit. That's it. I see people get on here, they don't even know the first thing about a juggalo, don't know what we are, and they want to talk shit about it. No, the way it is, it's a way of life. You can say it's a culture. Shaggy. That's right. Name props to Violet J, Shaggy, Boondocks, Twisted.
ABK, woo woo.
All of them. Alright, now look. He said it developed as a culture and as a way of life now. It is uproar. Alright? People were touched by the music. And if you're touched by the music, then
And you ain't gotta paint your face or buy a stitch of merch.
See, there's so many people out there that have so much love for the family, they don't have a tat, a stitch of merch, or anything. And it blows my wig off. Like, I gotta pick it up, dust it off, and put it back on. It's just fucked up that y'all come in our world, talking about shit that you don't even know about.
I paint my face.
I paint my face.
Because I like to.
I've got brands. I got the merch, so don't come talking this shit.
That's funny. Well, there's Dad right there. He'll beat your ass. Okay.
Number one, all you're doing is getting shit started.
It's
More motherfucking drama.